this video is about me showing you guys how I do my twist. I'm not done yet. I started a little bit late, so I'm not gonna show you guys how I pull my hair. I usually do pull my hair in a twist like this so that it can be much a lot easier for me. And yeah, and now I already started. So I'm gonna show you. This is my first of all, this is my first time me doing the twist on my hair. I never done twist, no one has ever braid my hair, like done twist on my hair. So this is my first time. And I bought 4 packets of Jamaican twist braid. So, and I bought it in color 33. So I wanted to change a little bit because I didn't want to do black anymore. I wanted to change some color. So you guys should bear with me. The lighting is not that great, even though I'm using a ring light. The lighting is just not that good. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you pretty quickly, pretty fast how I do it. And I won't show you the entire came. They are long, so I did not want to do like this long. I didn't want to do, so I actually divided like one like this. I divided it in two, but this one I'm gonna braid it tight because it's small. And so I cut it in two, like in the middle like this, because usually I don't really like long hair. So even now it's still long, but I gotta do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my way, my own way of I do it. So I'm gonna take this braid right here. Let me put this one out of my way so it can be easy.